Today we shall be considering Waec question number 5 for the year 2024. Let's get started. The question says, state 3 uses of ferromagnetic materials. State 3 uses of ferromagnetic materials. We were to list just 3 uses, but I'm going to write up to 5. The first one is electromagnets, electric motors, electric generators, transformers, data storage in hard disk. But I know we have more than this, but I had to just list this. But the question said we should write just 5. But I wouldn't feel comfortable ending this lecture here, so I'm still going to throw more light on what they mean by ferromagnetic materials. Hint on ferromagnetic materials. So ferromagnetic materials are those substances that exhibit strong magnetic properties. They are substances that exhibit strong magnetic properties. If you are opportune to open the electric motor, for example, or electric generator, or even the transformer, you see that those materials they use to make those things have the ability to magnetize as well. Okay, so ferromagnetic materials are substances that exhibit strong magnetic properties. Most textbooks write it as magnetic materials, so they may not write it as ferromagnetic materials. One would say, what are magnetic materials? Or one could say, what are ferromagnetic materials? They mean the same thing. So ferromagnetic materials are those materials that have the ability to become magnetized themselves and to maintain their magnetization even after the external magnetic field is removed. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. Those materials that have the potential to get magnetized, and even when they are magnetized and that substance that was used to magnetize them is removed, they still maintain that magnetism. Okay, so those substances are ferromagnetic materials. We have so many of them, but I tried to summarize the following. So examples include nickel, iron, manganese, steel, and cobalt. You can recall this with just, I used to tell my students, I don't need to just memorize this. The moment I recall the acronym Ni MSC, Ni MSC, I would be able to just bring this out in case of maybe exam questions, either objective. One would say, which of the following are ferromagnetic substances? The moment I see questions like that, it wouldn't take me any time. The N here represents nickel, I here iron, M manganese, S steel, and C cobalt. Okay, so with this you can recall the ferromagnetic substances. I still have an assignment for you. The reason why I had to do it this way is because maybe in subsequent years to come, they may decide to set questions that are close or similar to, but may not be exactly what they set previously. So this is my question. Just go and do this as your assignment, or should I call it homework. What are non-ferromagnetic materials? List their examples. It's very easy. What are non-ferromagnetic materials? List their examples. So that's just all I have for you. Please, if you are watching for the first time, endeavor to click on the subscribe button. When you do that, it will appear to be subscribed. The reason why you have to subscribe is so that you have regular notification anytime I upload a new post. Thank you for watching. I just want to say to all my subscribers, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in another lecture. Have a wonderful day. Bye.